The topic of this lesson is commissions and royalties. Example 1. Adriana wrote a textbook for high school students. She receives 10% royalty based on the total sales of the book. The book sells for $47.95 and 17,000 copies were sold last year. How much did Adriana receive in royalty payments for last year? The first question we need to answer is, what are the total sales? We can see here that the book sells for $47.95 and that 17,000 copies were sold. So we know that $47.95 times 17,000 will give us the total amount in sales. Using a calculator, that comes out to $815,150. The next question we must answer is, what is 10% of the total sales? Because we know that Adriana will receive 10%. So $815,150 times 10% as a decimal, so 0.10, is $81,515. So we know that Adriana will receive a royalty payment of $81,515 for last year.